Aliotti here with our food find of the week. This week we are featuring goji berries. I love goji berries. They are known as the Himalayan superfruit. They grow in the Himalayas, also in China and Mongolia. They grow on shrubs. They are so good for you. They offer so many vitamins and minerals, tons of antioxidants, a good source of fats, your omega-3s, and they have a lot of protein in them. So just like we have our superfood quinoa, this is known as a superfruit from the Himalayas. So goji berries are so great to add to smoothies. You can add it to granola, add it to your oatmeal. So many different ways to eat goji berries. Add them to maybe a little bit of yogurt, some of our Greek yogurt. Excellent way to eat goji berries. Like I said, they're very high in beta-carotene and tons of vitamins and minerals. They add for longevity, so it's actually been known. There is a story, it's not, I don't know how true it is, but there's a story that a Chinese man ate goji berries on a daily basis and lived to be over 250 years old. Alright, I'm not so sure about that, but definitely goji berries have so many benefits and have been shown to just benefit you in so many different ways. So goji berries, they come dried most of the time. You can also find them in a juice. Juices can be very expensive and they don't last as long as the dried berries do. This bag here is an 8-ounce bag and it was about $10, so they're not cheap. But they're very good for you, and they last a long time because you end up only using about 1/4 of a cup in a serving, if that. So they kind of look like dried cranberries, and they have the same kind of look and feel as a craisin. So pick some of these up, add them to your oatmeal. They add for a little bit of sweetness. When I put these in my oatmeal, I actually don't even need to put any stevia because they just kind of sweeten it up. So goji berries, excellent source of antioxidants, must buy, must try. So give these a try. Goji berries are our food find of the week.